Today is Sunday, May 18, and today I learned to just be kind, right? Be kind to others. It is, especially as a high schooler, it can be very easy to judge others and always be thinking negatively of people who we don't like, but without reason most of the time. I think it's dumb to just not like people for no reason, right? We are called to love others, love your neighbor as yourself, and in today's sermon he was talking about doing everything for the glory of God, and that includes preferring others over yourselves, right? Loving others. Just be kind. I think it is, especially me, like, I can very easily judge others and just think badly of others, basically for no reason, and it can be very easy to do that without realizing it. And I just need to remember to be kind, because also additionally, not only be kind when you are not interacting with them, when you're maybe talking about them with someone else, but also just be kind to the people you're talking to, right? I have a tendency to be very sarcastic, and a lot of times that is very hurtful to others, right? Even though I don't mean it, right? That's just how I am sometimes, and it can be very easy to do that without realizing, and that's ultimately me just not being kind and not preferring others, right? So even it's easy to not notice it, but just be kind. Think the best of others, and don't just not like someone for no reason, right? Prefer others over yourselves. It talks about that in 1 Corinthians, I believe it was 13, 1 Corinthians 13, where we were reading about doing everything for the glory of God and doing everything for others and that kind of stuff. So that was just a really good reminder that I needed today. If you found this video helpful, then I would love a like or comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. This is the video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner. And if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.